Greetings everyone. This is Shoham Gupta, MSc Data Science student from Chennai Mathematical Institute. Here I am going to present my dashboard on the project La-Liga Analyzer. Sports betting is a rapidly growing industry, and football being the most popular game in the world, it is quite common in football. So the data is obtained from the European football database. The database have the detailed match data of different tiers of Europe's top 11 football leagues from 1993 onward. In this project, we use the European football database and take the Spanish top division league for 2021 season and use visualization techniques to evaluate the unpredictability of the game and performance of the teams along with the variation in odds provided throughout the match by various betting providers. Summary analysis shows that the full-time home goal for the season to be 1.421, whereas that of away team being 1.082, which signifies this home team being more successful in the season. Also, each match averages to 2.5 goals, showing the uh, competitiveness of the tournament. Here next, we go to our plot. Our first plot is a scatter plot with the home team goal on the x-axis and the away team goal on the y-axis, and the color of the points and the size of the point shows the frequency of that result, and the color shows the winner statistics, which team has won. The plot reveals that the most of the match results were concentrated at the low scoring games, with 1-0 being the most common score line. The highest number of goals scored in a match was 2-6 win for the away team, and also the highest number of goals scored by a single team has been 6, which have been resulted in 3 occasions. We can see from this pie chart the at halftime most of the games were being drawn, whereas in full time we can see that the most of the matches were won by the home team. Next, we see here the home team goal set. This provides the total shots taken, shot on target, total goals, and corner received by the home team. Similarly, we have the same plot for the away team. Also, we see the discipline stat of the home team being the foul and yellow card and red card received from by the home team. Also, we can see the same for the away team. Next, we have the team-wise goal stats. This this plot gives the in-depth analysis of the shot taken and goals scored by all the team in the competition. It is quite evident that the maximum number of shots taken as well as the shot on target and goals scored was by the eventual league winner Real Madrid, which was not surprising, followed by Barcelona, who finished in second. And the lowest number of shots were taken by Elche, who finished 13, whereas the lowest goals scored were by Alaves, who were last. Similarly, we have the disciplinary stats for each team, and we can see that the most fouls and card received were by Valencia, who finished ninth, and on the contrary, the most disciplined team of the tournament, being the champion, were Real Madrid. Next, we go to the betting analysis. Here here we have the change in the betting providers throughout this season by the 6 betting providers. Here we can see the Bet35's home team average change, where a negative change in odd refers to the match being more in favor of the home team than predicted, whereas increase in odd means the match away from the home team. Odds refers to the amount of money returned to expect from $1 of bet from the from. So we have this 6 betting sites. So between Interwritten and VCH. So we can see that the VC bet have a tendency of underestimating the home team more as compared to others. Similarly, as this plot, we can also see the same for the draw odds for the provided by the different betting provider, and away teams win odds by different betting provider. Also, we can see the maximum of the provided odds of different provider. Also, we also have the average home team change in odds, average draw odds, and average away teams win odds. So From this, we can clearly see the change in odds of the home team has been somewhat more stable than that of draw and away team. There has been a huge underestimation of away team in one of the game uh, by a provider, which was a huge drop in the odds. So, concluding our project, you can say that from the above analysis, it is clear that the chance of home team winning is higher, hence betting provider tends to give higher probability to the home team. Also, we see that the competition is highly competitive with the change in half and full time results being very frequent. For season 21-22, it has been seen that the team with most shot and the best disciplinary record throughout the tournament has won the league. It has also been shown that there are much fluctuation in the odd provided by the betting provider at the start and the end of the match. It is highly risky to bet given the scenario, and the better have to have their own knowledge. Finally, we see somewhere the betting odds totally gets very erratical, especially for away team or win or draw, which provides a higher opportunity for upset and hence a greater return. So that's all from my side. Thank you for your patience.